Are you bewildered when intuitive eating guides tell you to eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full? It can be a difficult skill to relearn after years of dieting and/or binging. One entirely different way to eat the right amount for your body is to change the goal from getting full of food to eating for energy. Food is fuel, but that sounds so sterile. A more exciting and empowering approach is to feel great. Eat until you feel light and full of energy. When you use this method, you don't even have to think about the amount of food in your stomach. When you sit down to eat, ask your body to let you know when it has had enough. Pay close attention with each bite. You will get a subtle, but clear, message to stop when your body has had enough. You may even think you're making it up. The message will often come after just a small amount of food. When you experiment by following your full signal and stop eating at that point, you will find yourself feeling light and energized. You may not even feel a difference in your stomach at all. Make it a practice to give your body just what it needs, not too much, not too little. As you eat, ask yourself if you need more energy. Asterisk, will you feel better, lighter, more energized if you eat this bite? Asterisk, will you feel comfortable and satisfied? Asterisk, or will you feel heavy, tired, too full? The body has amazing powers of self-regulation and will communicate its needs to you if you will listen. At first it may feel strange to eat this way. Over time though, you will find that asterisk, your energy levels are soaring. Asterisk, you are not getting sleepy after you eat. Asterisk, you feel less fuzzy. Asterisk, you feel more replenished by food. Asterisk, fresh, unprocessed foods become more and more appealing to you and make you feel better. Asterisk, you are more creative. Asterisk, you feel happier and more at peace with yourself. Asterisk, extra pounds have dropped away easily and effortlessly. In the beginning it may seem like paying so much attention to your hunger and energy takes a lot of time and attention. Just remember that the skills you're learning will set you free from obesity and diet craziness for the rest of your life. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure you follow us on Instagram. We post videos weekly and we're active on Instagram on a daily basis, so don't miss out. Peace.